Hi guys, welcome back to Celebville Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. So guys, a lot of people are coming forward now with their stories exposing Standard Bank. We have all seen the videos on TikTok, the videos of Professor Hammond, where she was exposing what happened to her between Standard Bank and all of that. So a lot of people have been coming forward with information stating their cases, like ukuthi, what happened, what Standard Bank is doing to them, all the fraud cases. So now I'm just going to play this video for you guys so that you can hear what this lady is saying. And it's really sad. She is also exposing Standard Bank of the fraud that they did to her aunt. It's really sad. And unfortunately, this video was made before the one Yaga Professor Hammond, but I guess it didn't go viral, And then when Professor Hammond started doing those videos exposing Standard Bank, that's when a lot of videos that were done before, that's when they also got viral, because the algorithms, if you are watching something about the Standard Bank, they will start showing you videos about the Standard Bank. So she's just sharing what happened, how Standard Bank committed a fraud, and her aunt lost everything in the bank account, and they said it was a scam. She was scammed by someone else. They don't know anything about it. Like ikanjani? How? The person that scammed this person, the aunt, how did that person know how much was in the account? Because the only people who can see the amount in the account, it's those that work there at Standard Bank. So it's really sad. This lady is just asking for help. She is appealing to the public to help her. This video was done earlier this year, so please watch the video guys and leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Idate umhla ka-14 kuFebruwari 2026. Igama lami nguNtokozo Mchunu. Ngenza le video on behalf of my aunt uNamsile Mchunu, who's become a victim of bank fraud. Engidinga ukuthi ningisize ngawo ukuthi sisabalalise le video because siyawazi amandla e-social media. U-aunt wami usebenzisa ibhange laka-Standard Bank. The incident happened in November 2025, where she lost an amount of 242,000 whilst banking with Standard Bank. Now, the bank claims that she had received an OTP which she accepted, granting access to criminals ukuthi bakhona ukuthi bakhiphe le mali of 242,000 from her savings account, her money market account, and her overdraft. Now, this is not true. She never received the OTP. We need for Standard Bank to take accountability. Ibhange lenze ubulungiswa kuNamsile Mchunu lembuyisele imali yakhe. To date, uStandard Bank uthi ungakhona ukuthi umbuyisele isincephezelo sa-70,000 kuphela, which is such an insult. That is an insult. Angeke ulahlekelwe imali engango-242,000 ezandleni zebhange bese lithi lona lizokunqephezela ngo-70,000. That is an insult because sisebenzisa amabhange ngoba sithembe ama-security measures abanawo. Kunzima ukuthi uma ukhipha imali yakho ebank, ziningi izinto abayidingayo ukuze ukhona ukuthi ukhiphe imali yakho ebank. Why is it therefore easy ukuthi kube for ama-criminals ukuthi akhiphe imali yakho ebank without your authorization? The bank needs to take up accountability, benze ukulungiswa, babuyisele uNamsile Mchunu imali yakhe. We have reached out to the Ombudsman, and to date, the Ombudsman is stating ukuthi nabo basenza olaba uphenyo. This has been going on since November 2025. We are still waiting, and this has taken a toll on my aunt's health and overall lifestyle. Lento yenzeke kuNamsile Mchunu ingenzeka nanoma ubani osebenzisa ibhange. Ngakho kuyaphoqa ukuthi senze amabhange ukuthi abe accountable, enze ubulungiswa mengabe siwathemba ngemali yethu, our hard-earned cash esiyibeka nabo in their facilities. Ngicela ukuthi usize, we share this video as much as possible to get the attention of the bank, because the bank is not taking this matter seriously. Ngiyabonga.